Come from test band to school. We would like to show a call. We would like to show a great call. The ugly duckling. There was a little lady, a master duck sits on her eggs. Not yet, look faster. 1, 2, 3, our babies. Hi. How cute they are, look. One leg is bigger. The next day, the egg still didn't hatch. Hi. He's ugly. Who are you? It's our babies. Left, left, right, quack, quack. Left, right, left, right, quack, quack, quack. Walk like us. I can't. Let's go swimming. Come on, come on. He jumped in the water. Very good. Let's go. Let's get out. Let me miss our friend. How cute they are. Let's eat it. Who's that? He's bigger but he can swim. He can swim well. There is but not me. You are ugly. You are ugly, duckling. Nobody loves me. And leaving. Goodbye, mother. He goes to sleep. The geese come. Who are you? You are an ugly duckling. Well, we are leaving. Goodbye. He is sad and lonely. A cat and a hen feel genius. Can you lay an egg? No, I can't. Can you catch mice? No, I can't. I can swim. It is fall. Where are you going? Nowhere. Who are you? Oh, what do you want? It is winter. It is very cold. What? Get out! Nobody loves me. I can fly. Yes, he can fly. What are you doing? Oh, I am sorry. Goodbye. No! Look at yourself. You are one of us. You are a swan. I am a swan. Look. Yes, the ugly duckling was a beautiful swan. The moral of this skit is never judge everything by its cover อย่าตัดสินใจสิ่งต่างๆจากสิ่งที่เห็น
ปอเอาแฟลชไดรฟ์มาแฟลชไดรฟ์ให้หนูดิ